Hello, my name is Tammo and today I would like to show you the SmartDispenser 2.0. The SmartDispenser is a smart combination of devices which performs the dispensing of extender in the semen lab. The accuracy and precision of dispensing, along with the reliability of the SmartDispenser, add process quality and security to your semen production lab. The SmartDispenser consists of the control unit, the scale, the pump, and a stand with hoses. If you have been working with the SmartDispenser 1.0, you will notice that the setup is still the same, but the control unit has changed. The new SmartDispenser control unit is equipped with a touch display. It offers a number of additional features. It is connected to the pump via push-pull connector and to the scale via USB. There are several options for entering dilution tasks. Integration with laboratory software allows for direct transfer of dilution tasks to the SmartDispenser. The task is displayed on the touchscreen and can be initialized there. If you're using the SmartDispenser as a standalone device, the dispensing task is created manually by entering the required volume of extender. If you're working with Prism laboratory software, you can freely select ejaculates from a list on the touchscreen or work with a USB barcode reader. Once you initialize the dilution task, the scale will tara and the pump will fill the extender from the heated vat into the semen mixing cylinder. Stepwise diluting is available at the press of a button. The SmartDispenser remembers the dispensed volume and you can return to finish the diluting task at a later time. As we approach the final volume, the pump will slow down to dispense the last milliliters very precisely. After the final volume is reached, the leftover extender in the hose is pumped back into the vat by the reversible pump. Your extender will be kept reliably at the optimal temperature in the vat and not in the hose. The SmartDispenser is available in two configurations: L with a scale up to 24 kg and a pump 5 liter per minute, and XL with a scale up to 24 kg and a pump up to 13 liters per minute. You will achieve a high degree of accuracy in your workflow with a precision of ±2 grams for each dispensing task. A manual mode is available for revolving the extender or for emptying the vat. Dispensing boar semen extender with a SmartDispenser may cause splashing due to the pulsation in the fluid flow. The pulsation dampener smooths out the flow of the extender, thus preventing splashing. It is connected in line with the hose and functions as an air chamber that cushions pressure spikes. It is an environmentally friendly product since all components are reusable. All materials can be heat sterilized up to 140 degrees centigrade. When you're working with the SmartDispenser, you have many benefits. High level of accuracy, connected and efficient workflows, error-free and easy handling.